Beautiful light, feel warmly embraced and welcomed. How wonderful to have you with us. It is a pleasure to welcome you here. Today we are embarking on another adventure in the new world. The new earth already exists, and I can show you how to perceive it in the external world. Do you believe that gods truly exist? We know about them from myth, legends, and the traditions of long ago. But what is real? What is a legend? Today, we have the privilege of meeting the legendary and wondrous god Hephaestus, and of welcoming him into our homes. We have the privilege of welcoming this divine being into our homes, where he will work with us on the highest levels of light. Hephaestus is not a character from a fantasy story. He is a living being just like you. In most cases, tangible experiences are possible in my channel. This means that your powerful divine clairvoyant gifts are stimulated, opening your eyes increasingly to the new earth. It already exists, and I can perceive it in the external world. Through my book series, I can train you to reactivate your clairvoyant gifts, and the adventures on my channel will also help you to bring out the best in yourself. Feel free to follow me to stay up to date with the news and new adventures. Now, let us enter a world that seems to spring from myth, yet it is as real as you are. Allow God Hephaestus to enchant you. I would like to briefly describe how I perceive this beautiful being. To me, he appears as an athletic human man. Although he is a divine blacksmith, his muscles are subtle rather than overpowering. His form is simple yet flawless and beautiful. Feel, he is touching my temple already. You can feel this too. My messages should always be received in a state of calm reflection, so that you can fully experience the magic unfolding around you. For you will be trained in developing your ability to perceive things beyond the physical realm. Hephaestus is actually a very masculine god, strong and powerful, but today he is showing me his gentle side. He is very kind to show me this side of himself. Hephaestus is patient, reserved, and extremely loving. His energy is divine. Feel it. Can you feel him touching you? He touches your heart with his loving nature, although he also embodies a fighting spirit. After all, he is the one who shapes the lightning bolts of Zeus. Today, he is showing us his gentle, enveloping and captivating side first. With a mischievous smile, he indicates telepathically that we will be extremely active later on, so there is no need to worry. Later, we will perform powerful light work with him to give the ascension process a new boost. The divine being appears to me as rather athletic and slender. He has a beautiful shaped, almost human-looking face and shoulder-length hair that is gorgeous, but somewhat wildly loose. He hasn't tied it back. The energy is shifting. I can feel him pumping primal, masculine energy into this post. You will slowly begin to perceive a change too. It's time to set out. The God gently takes my hand. He is tender, careful, and patient. It's time, he said. It's time to serve the light. Please follow us. The God will touch you too, because He's here with us in our room. Before we begin, I would like to mention that there are already other Lightwork adventures of Divine Lightwork on this channel. You can find them under the title Let the Games Begin. In this sense, this is also a call to humanity to serve the light and promote peace. I am now awaiting instructions from Hephaestus, the god of fire and metal working. He wants to give me guidance on our joint light work, but there will be no direct channeling. The god will make his intentions clear. He wants to sharpen your senses and ignite your abilities. Ultimately, fire is also his domain. Thor, as an elemental master, is also associated with fire. Hephaestus wants you to stand so that he has space beside or in front of you to work with you. He now presents you with an amphora. Extend your hands and feel him place the vessel in them. An amphora is used to store and gather things. You can now sense Hephaestus' presence. He will touch your head several times. The god encourages you to open your hearts in gratitude and place whatever you wish to give into the amphora. He will then take your offerings and use them to create a powerful lightning bolt tailored specifically to you. While he is forming it, you will only hear music for a short time. Afterwards, you can receive the lightning bolt and direct it to wherever light and love are most urgently needed. This is the God's plan. Now, feel how the amphora rests in your hands. Open your hearts and fill this vessel with prayers, songs, words of peace, or sensations of the purest light. Fill it with the most beautiful things you can give, as full as you can. Pray for a new world and pray for peace. All of these gifts will flow into the amphora. Now, take a moment to fill your own amphora. God Hephaestus now takes the amphora and retreats to the realm of the gods for a moment. During his absence, he allows you to bathe in the energies of Mount Olympus and experience its structures and vibrations. Enjoy these heavenly sensations for a moment before the god returns. He will then forge a lightning bolt carrying all your gifts within it. Thank you. God Hephaestus is with you again. Feel his presence. Feel his touch and the power he possesses. Now, with the utmost humility, extend your arms with your palms facing upwards. He will place your personal lightning bolt in your hand. We will give you a moment for this. Feel the lightning bolt being placed in your hands. Feel the positive power and strength emanating from it. Feel the power and strength of the wonderful God Hephaestus too. You have now met your personal lightning bolt. It is time to release it, because that is what it is meant to do. Sharpen your senses and imagine a building that urgently needs to be transformed into the new earth, or a public square or a country. Choose your destination and focus on it in your mind. When you are ready, release that lightning bolt and trust that its positive energy has already been set free. Remember that everything you give out of love comes back to you in the form of love. You will now hear music for the last time. Please release your lightning bolt so that it can work its magic. Believe that this is happening, and it already is. When the last note has faded, the god will return to his own realm after bidding you farewell. Please remember to thank the High Being for sharing this supremely divine light. Thank you. My love is with you.